Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be doing a little bit of foreshadowing here and talking about where we're going to be moving with our Pandas series. So I think we are ready to move into time series and how to handle time with our data structures and our data analysis and utilizing pandas, because time series events and moving through time can be very tricky, handling the data, time zones, conversion, all of these things. So like I said, I think we're ready. We will be moving into it. There's pitfalls, how to handle missing data. We will learn how to handle that. Any conversion from time zones, that can be a pain. We will learn to handle that. It's a non-uniform base. I mean, base 10 numbers. Time, we've done a little bit of things. The base units are different: seconds, minutes, hours, days, as I'm sure you can begin to think. But we will begin to move through these and conquer them one at a time. But just like we did with the matplotlib, just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up of where we're going and give you a little bit of a highlight of what to look for. So as always, please drop any comments, questions, video requests, or anything that you may already know you want to know about time series, just handling time events, tracking of time, and anything associated with it, because it can be overwhelming. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.